Horseshoe crabs are fascinating creatures. They have been around for millions of years. In fact, they predate the dinosaurs. These animals have witnessed incredible changes on Earth. They have survived multiple mass extinctions. Today they offer us a glimpse into the planet's ancient past. Their resilience is a testament to their adaptability. Horseshoe crabs are often called living fossils. This is because they have changed very little over millions of years. Their ancient lineage is captivating. Their existence allows scientists to study a species practically unchanged from its prehistoric ancestors. They provide invaluable insights into the evolution of life on Earth. Their presence reminds us of the dynamic nature of our planet. They highlight the constant evolution of life. Horseshoe crabs serve as a bridge between a distant past and the present. They inspire awe and wonder for the enduring power of nature. Horseshoe crabs belong to a specific group of animals called arthropods. This group also includes spiders, scorpions, and crustaceans. However, horseshoe crabs are not true crabs at all. They are more closely related to spiders and scorpions. These creatures are classified under the order Xiphosaura. There are 4 species of horseshoe crabs found around the world. In North America, the most common species is the Atlantic horseshoe crab. This species is scientifically known as Limulus polyphemus. It inhabits the Atlantic coast of North America. The other 3 species are found in Southeast Asia. These species are the mangrove horseshoe crab, the coastal horseshoe crab, and the Indonesian horseshoe crab. Each species has unique characteristics. However, they all share the distinctive horseshoe-shaped shell. Horseshoe crabs are found in specific regions around the world. They inhabit the shallow coastal waters of North America and Southeast Asia. These areas provide the perfect environment for these creatures to thrive. The Atlantic horseshoe crab is predominantly found along the eastern coast of North America. Its range extends from Maine in the United States down to the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. These crabs prefer sandy bottoms and shallow waters. In Southeast Asia, the other 3 species of horseshoe crabs are found in similar habitats. They inhabit the intertidal zones and mangrove forests along the coasts of India, China, and other Southeast Asian countries. Horseshoe crabs have a unique and fascinating anatomy. Their most distinctive feature is their hard, horseshoe-shaped shell. This shell, also known as a carapace, protects their soft bodies. It acts as a shield against predators. Their body is divided into 3 main parts: the head, the abdomen, and the tail. The head, also known as the prosoma, contains their eyes, mouth, and brain. They have 2 compound eyes on the sides of their head. These eyes are similar to those found in insects. The abdomen, or opisthosoma, contains their gills and reproductive organs. They have 6 pairs of appendages on their underside. These appendages are used for walking, swimming, and manipulating food. Finally, their long, spiky tail, called a telson, is used for steering and flipping themselves over if they are turned upside down. Section 5. The enigmatic blue blood, a medical marvel. One of the most remarkable features of horseshoe crabs is their blue blood. Unlike humans and many other animals, horseshoe crabs have copper-based blood instead of iron-based blood. This gives their blood its distinctive blue color. But their blood is not just a curiosity, it plays a vital role in modern medicine. Horseshoe crab blood contains a special clotting agent called Limulus amebocyte lysate, or LAL. LAL is extremely sensitive to bacterial toxins. When LAL comes into contact with bacterial toxins, it clots around them. This clotting reaction is used in the medical industry to test for the presence of harmful bacteria in vaccines, drugs, and medical devices. It ensures that these products are safe for human use. Section 6. Diet, Habitat, and Movement. Understanding their lifestyle. Horseshoe crabs are primarily nocturnal creatures. They are most active at night. During the day, they bury themselves in the sand. This behavior helps them avoid predators and regulate their body temperature. They are opportunistic feeders. Their diet consists mainly of small invertebrates such as worms, clams, and crustaceans. They use their chelicerae, a pair of small appendages near their mouth, to grab and crush their food. Horseshoe crabs are strong swimmers. They use their book gills, located on their abdomen, to propel themselves through the water. They can also walk along the ocean floor using their legs. During mating season, they migrate to shallow coastal waters to reproduce. Section 7. The Circle of Life. Reproduction and Nesting Habits. Every spring, horseshoe crabs engage in a remarkable breeding ritual. As the tides rise, thousands of these ancient creatures emerge from the depths to mate. The females, larger than the males, carry their suitors on their backs as they make their way to the shoreline. The females dig shallow nests in the sand. They deposit thousands of tiny greenish eggs. The males then fertilize these eggs externally. Once the eggs are laid and fertilized, the adult horseshoe crabs return to the sea. The eggs incubate in the warm sand for several weeks. Upon hatching, the miniature horseshoe crabs, known as trilobite larvae, emerge from the nests. These larvae resemble their ancient ancestors, the trilobites. Section 8. Ecological Significance. Guardians of the shoreline. Horseshoe crabs play a crucial role in their ecosystems. Their eggs provide a vital food source for migratory shorebirds. These birds rely on the energy-rich eggs to fuel their long journeys. Moreover, their shells provide a substrate for various marine organisms to attach themselves. These organisms include algae, barnacles, and mussels. This creates a mini ecosystem on the horseshoe crab's shell itself. Their presence also helps to control populations of their prey. This keeps the delicate balance of the ecosystem in check. Their role as both predator and prey highlights their importance in maintaining biodiversity. Section 9. Threats and Conservation. Protecting an ancient lineage. Despite their resilience, horseshoe crabs face growing threats from human activities. Overharvesting for bait and biomedical purposes has significantly impacted their populations. Their blood, while invaluable to medicine, is a finite resource. Habitat loss due to coastal development and pollution poses another significant threat. These activities degrade their spawning and foraging grounds, making it difficult for them to survive. Climate change exacerbates these threats by altering ocean temperatures and sea levels. However, there are ongoing efforts to conserve these ancient creatures. Stricter regulations on harvesting and habitat protection measures are crucial. Public awareness campaigns educate people about the importance of horseshoe crabs and the threats they face. Section 10. Horseshoe crabs, fascinating facts and evolutionary wonders. Horseshoe crabs are truly remarkable creatures with a plethora of fascinating facts. Their evolutionary history is a testament to their adaptability. They have survived for millions of years, witnessing the rise and fall of countless other species. Did you know that horseshoe crabs can regrow lost limbs? If a predator manages to grab hold of their legs or tail, they can shed them off and regenerate new ones. This incredible ability allows them to escape from danger and continue to thrive. Another interesting fact is that horseshoe crabs have multiple eyes. In addition to their two compound eyes, they have several simple eyes on their carapace and tail. These eyes help them detect light and movement, even when they are buried in the sand. Horseshoe crabs are a true marvel of nature. Their ancient lineage, unique biology, and ecological importance make them invaluable members of our planet's biodiversity. It is our responsibility to ensure their survival for generations to come.